So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and this video is regarding the price counter. So if you have received the price email, hurry up and claim the swags. The mails were out around 15th of January, and in case most of you have already claimed by watching the video, in case you haven't claimed the swags yet, right? In case you haven't claimed the swags, claim it before 31st by anyhow. Okay. And how to claim the swags if you want to see, I've already shared the links in the description box how to just claim the prizes. Okay. So here is some videos which will help you to understand how to claim the prizes. For example, let me just open the playlist over here. Okay. Let me just open it. So here you can see I've shared all the guidelines. Okay. Sorry, this was our playlist regarding the price counter. So here is the price counter videos, how to claim the prizes. If you're targeting the novice, the ranger to legend tier, watch this video, how to claim the prizes. If you're targeting novice to trooper tier, just watch these videos, this video. Okay. Just watch it. Basically, here you have to enter your details, t-shirt size, hoodie size, and just place the order. All things are fixed. Also, for the people who miss the swags by any chances, means you place the order without just claiming the t-shirt, then also you'll be getting the t-shirt. No need to worry about it. The t-shirt mails are out for the peoples who are eligible for the swags. They have to simply share their order ID and just the t-shirt will be added. In case you have claimed the swags, then it's well and good. You have notified via email. Also, I'm updating you everywhere. Okay. Apart from this, in case you haven't claimed the swags yet, hurry up and claim the swags because after 31st, even though you have 95 points, no one will listen. You won't be able to claim the swags. Also, you won't be able to get your hard work. Okay. Whatever work you have done means you have earned 95 points, and just due to your silly mistake or laziness, you missed the swags. Okay, so this should not happen. Apart from this, if you're watching this video and you are from cohort 1 2026, for you, price counter will be opening in June. So this price counter is for 2025 participants. As I said earlier, that the price email was out in January 15. That means it's for cohort 2 2025. For cohort 1 2026, the price email will go in January. And if you need a detailed guide how to participate in the arcade program, I've shared all the related links in the description. Make sure to check it out. If you have any doubt, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.